smooth that we are saying. Anyway, we are dealing with one issue today. Because you know when me come out for talk, I don't know foolishness. First, I deal with a producer named De Niro. I don't know if you and Andrew Blacks apart or what. But you hear me? And now I go disrespect no man from network and everything there. I just go tell you, so you have a song where you release where I need you to take back that song there off of the road, because guess what now? Go to Andrew Blacks and me and Andrew Blacks do some work. All of a sudden, after I do a set of work, me say them thief Andrew Blacks computer, him hard drive them and everything with all of the work them when me do. You know what it forced me if you don't know? To start over my work. Now I come a friend to real and decide say me now go really work with no man. Where I go yes say this gone and that gone and me sang them gone. Here me I go do my own work. And me and my son start to think. Now I start an album, my new recording label and rent-a-car company. It named White Line Recording Company and White Line Rent-a-Car Company. My rent-a-car company is used to strengthen my music company. Yeah? Now I do a song for Andrew Blacks. So I say them thief the hard drive and the computer out of Andrew Blacks car. So them song they gone. Then all of a sudden, me hear a song from De Niro, from Ninjaman, were produced by De Niro. What then say it's a part or either part with Andrew Blacks or him and Andrew Blacks part. Me never buy some song for De Niro. So me no see how that song the out the road. And then and again the song don't sound good. Cause me I go play the same song where me do for Andrew Blacks where that song there right now, the rhythm where it depend. You are going to listen this one to the one where De Niro produce. Now I don't want a producer because my name Ninjaman. You are going to say you get a Ninjaman. Ninjaman song them have to done properly now. Ninjaman song them have to sound the way of them to sound that people hear lyrics, style, class, clarity, everything for in my song them. I don't want no song with the rhythm above my song and the rhythm 10 miles from my song. I don't want them type of song there. You understand? I want the song them where people can say, yeah, listen this song.
Well, like a father to a son, we're telling you them to put down the gun. When we see war, crime and violence,
listen the rhythm, listen the song.
God gonna take that before. Tell me nobody don't know about it. No going on, no, if you know you don't fit. Give away your life and you're not sure about it. It's dark. Tell me nobody don't know about it. No going on, no, if you know you don't fit. Give away your life and you're not sure about it. It's dark. When you go feel butterfly like a butterfly, nuzzling up your thumb and rubbing your sky. Flop on the ground like a piece of fly. You are dark, you boy, dark. You know defense them, no offend them. Trouble make and look for trouble offend them. Them a Babylon and somewhere we send them. Some better, you boy. Somebody then attack, it a go dark. I know dark when they sit in a back. The featherless eagle, it a no hawk. The sky dark when they sit in a back. The then attack, it a go dark. I know dark when they sit in a back. The featherless eagle, it a no hawk. The sky dark when they sit in a clock. Hotel, enemies are done, enemies are young. Never done. When you make your decision, them a Babylon. We put one in your head, you're dead. You what about your run east, west, north and south. Little youth, what you're talking about. You are suffer and you're deep in a drought. So listen to your cool out of your mouth. So listen this, them in nobody don't know about it. No going on, no, if you know you don't fit. Give away your life cause you're not sure about it. It's dark. Tell me nobody's gonna know about it. Not gonna know if you know you don't fit. Give away your life cause you're not sure about it. It's dark. So if you're not careful, you get you just faithful. You're not feel bad if you're bad and ungrateful. You drop a tip and never get when you're grateful. So what a disaster, master. The crime scene it was so sad. Shoulda known better, you're too bad. But you can't ice with a toe tag. One more soul I don't know about. So what you know, them in nobody's gonna know about it. Not going to know if you know you don't fit. Give away your life cause you're not sure about it. It's dark. Them in nobody's gonna know about it. Not going to know if you know you don't fit.
Now listen to that song there. When you hear the rhythm, the lyrics, the everything you hear the song as a song where Ninjaman is supposed to do. Listen to the next song where De Niro put out. You're not even be a nice guy, you rhythm over Ninja. Listen, I need enough to know say I don't want me not go out there and not go chase no producer and quarrel with no producer and cuss no producer and tell no producer I'm no producer and no argument, none of them thing there. You understand? Me also tell you say, more you take back that song there, half of the net, half of your selling wave, because right now me no need that song the outer road now because me have me song them I put on my album. And when me that do it for Angel Blacks, somebody end up thief do something with the whole of me thing them. That means that you no need me around Angel Blacks. You know want me for left and around him. Now me depend myself and I use my own money and my son them money and my business money and I do what me if do to make sure say my thing work. Me no want no man to tamper with my work. You understand? Me don't need you to have that song the outer road De Niro. Because I don't know how you get that song there. Because the Angel Blacks voice the song for. And it was said that Angel Blacks computer, hard drive and everything with the rhythm and the song them thief. You understand? So I don't know how you get that song there. Because everything thief. Now, more on that song they remove. And if it not remove, I not go quarrel with you, I not go cuss you, I not go fight with you. I just want to make Miss Nita Robinson write you a letter to remove that song. And if you give a distributor, we have to go get the money for that song. Because we not going on no badness and no ray with no man and them something there. Anyway now, make we get to one serious thing now. Because they start calling me about that something and more I'm sure you something. You know. I see only little young artists and only little artists who are in the music business. Where when you not clash, you not cuss no mother, you not cuss no father, you not gone different from lyrics. You understand me? Me I talk to Ishawna now and D.I. or T.I. or what she want name. I don't know not much of them artists here. You understand? Because me not too listen radio and TV more than so, you know. I watch be a movie. You understand? Me a man watch karate show and cowboy show straight. You understand me? So when you come on my yard, I just movie me I watch. Me not think about a component sitting in my house. Because I don't listen to music. Anytime I listen to music, it's Kenny Rogers, Celine Dion, Whitney Houston, Tony Braxton, Mariah Carey, and them people there. And country and western song. Me no listen to song where say people dead, because me know say people are dead long time. You understand? Me no listen to song where say murder them, because me know say people are murder people long time. You understand me? Me listen to some song where make me hear about love and niceness, because me a real bad man on them, so me not too way. You understand me? What I want to know as artists in a dancehall business, I want to go back and look when Ninjaman and Papa San them, Lieutenant Stitchy them, General Cheese them, Super Cat them, Colonel Josie Whale them, are all of the artists them we used to have lyrical confrontation and used to be a rival against them one another in a dance Shabba the whole away. You never hear Shabba ranking and tell Ninjaman about and his mother and then something up on stage. Him come out and say Ninja bow, Ninja bow, Ninja. Him never ever say Ninjaman mother fi dead or Ninja fi go chuck in his mother and then something there. You never hear Ninjaman tell him and then fi go chuck in them mother and then something. There are different lyrics we talk. So how comes uno get so weak in the industry that uno have a clash and have a competition and uno left out a lyrical confrontation and start to deal with no mother Lyrics not consistent of lyric will make people jump and ball forward nowadays anymore. Lyrics consistent of people private life. Well, me I go tell you something, you like a dirty, careless artist who take up reggae music, where bring the dirty liberty out of your life in a music. You don't come out of the music with a nasty life or a dirty life. You don't know who take full man and who there with the whole music fraternity and who go chucking at them mother. Make me tell you that. None of them think they never in a music. And some of you woman too, you learn to have self-respect for yourself and you learn to respect others. There is no way a young girl should tell her next girl to go up on bridge and walk me mother and chucking her mother. I mean, you say, Ishawna, I'm going to tell you something. You dismiss the way you know. I know you come back and diss all I mother them. Because friend, you tell one somebody for chucking at them mother, you tell everybody for do it. You don't have no manners. Then again, I now blame you, Ishawna, because guess what? I know that Ishawna hardly, I don't even know if Ishawna ever write a song. A people write the song for you. And the producer them is some of the biggest dirty, nasty, thinking supporters of this corruption in a dance hall. Because it's not Ishawna produce the song. It's the producer them when no manners to them mother and no respect for them mother and father and them family. Them don't know what it is to have a family. These are the people who just make money. You don't feel like money are going to make you no reach nowhere. When you don't have no respect in our world, where you are going to have when you have no respect? Nothing but a sappy piece of cloth. So you come out now and you support them two girls. Write some good lyrics. You understand? Write some good lyrics. Yeah? You don't want to see competition? Go back, go look for the competition with Ninjaman and Bounty Killer over Jammerl. Yeah? And here say none of them man they never tell them one another about their mother. And lyrics are chopped like a time bomb. Why y'all do not laugh to not rob me? I just don't want me up.
Where is the boss?
Everything me I get load. But alright, me smell that. Yeah man. On if it start, look on some real competitive dancehall show. Look for Ninjaman and Cabra over Sting. Look for Merciless and Ninjaman over Sting. Look for Merciless and Ninjaman Negril. Look for Merciless and Ninjaman down at St. Mary. Look for Ninjaman and Shabba Rankin. Look for Ninjaman, Flogan and Red Dragon and Flogan and Daddy Lizard and Nicodemus. Look for Ninjaman and Papa San. Look for how much dance we clash with in sound, type of sound. And we never get our family involved in these careless arguments we want to keep up. Now, Ishawna, I want you to go back and just want an apology from you know, for the little girl mother, you know. Because I know lyrics there, when you were better than that. And that's a lower blow. And the pure person who write that song here is nothing but a nasty mouth person who don't respect his mother. And me tell you something. You can't blame the artists when them hungry for reach somewhere in life and want to reach somewhere in life and destined to reach somewhere in life and feel like say anything you tell them to do, them now have a mind of their own. So anything you tell them to do, say this or work or this or work. Well, that one you no work. Where you tell the girl to go chuck in her mother or way. Anybody where say that one you work, is a worthless person. Because you wouldn't like nobody go tell her to go up and chuck in her mother and them something there. No, anything where you don't like for yourself, no give it to others. And if you respect your mother and your mother sick, it's not like the woman have good health and you know. You understand? And you're going to use that be a curse, you don't know what can happen at any time. Anyone can sick at any time, at any age. You have baby who are just born sick. You understand? You have people who are whole sick. You have young people sick. You have middle-aged people sick. You have people fit and just get up one day, boop, sick, and never get up back again and dead. So sickness and with people, never you use that for rejoice against people and deal with people like people are idiot. You understand? If you are dealing with lyrics, you deal with lyrics. You understand? And me tell you something, if you don't want to know, more than like me, Bounty Killer, Ninjaman, and Sizzler, just come out and keep it on. Come out and say, alright, 5 the hard way. I go show them. This is not a lyrical war. It's a teach we are teaching you how DJ supposed to clash. How lyrics supposed to make. You understand? Kai Bunty come out and say, if a war you no want make it start, if somebody not dead for me gonna pop off, and then give me the mic, me go say, if a war you no want about that mention, big 45 in on me right hand, amount of shot me have can't kill a jumping, on a year mess I will murder your mama without a question. Lyrical competition. We no in a thing where you go talk about chucking at your mother. You understand me? We deal with lyrics different. We deal with lyrics where people can enjoy themselves and entertained by the artist. We not deal with lyrics where I tell you say, Ray. We not hear when tell you say, we will murder your mother without a question. We not go say we murder your mama, no. We not do it, we. And people know lyrics that. You understand? The way me bust me gun, then call me gun alien. The gun where me a bust possessed by demon. From people here to me run and ball forward. You understand me? Hey, Bunty John next tune. And me come in and say, round the raggedy rock, the raggedy rascal run. How you fit this bad man with him gun, the whole place gone again. So I saw we you build tune for entire man build a song, you have a song for meet him. If them are run up in a new tune now and they say, alright, new war, new song, new thing for war. You understand me? And when they run out anything, then John say, none of them no bad like Ninja. None of them no wicked like me. Where them a go with them shaky trigger finger, them can't point none as up on me. Them ya young body and no storm. So when me choke on, tell a fool prolong. The next song the DJ try, you know me I go tell him say, from the days of Bucky Marshall, me no partial, me no take bad up from boy nor gal. And the whole place I live, cause me film it soon them, help me use one tune and get 3 forward. Uno can't build them song there, so uno go and cuss no one and tell no one that all of uno secrets them. Then you feel like say nobody out here so no know say a things we uno do in life uno cuss no one and tell. The whole of uno are some freak in our music industry and some nasty mouth people we do some bag of shit. Now every time uno have no secret, uno bring it to the public. Nasty mouth artists and nasty life artists. Keep uno nasty life things to uno nasty life self. We don't want hear who uno sex and how much people get battery and who sex in the fraternity for reach this part them want reach. Because that is none of our business. When you need a sex, you know one another and a be you know lip, you set a 3 some and 4 some and 6 some. None of us in the university never in here. None of us in the network never dead here. None of us know about 3 some, 4 some and 10 some. So why when you start, when I have a little problem now, when you start come tell we when we that do. When only that do, none of us wasn't there. We don't want here on a dirty, stinking problem. Keep it to yourself and make the filthiness stay upon your chest till it rotten and worm grow upon it. You know set a nasty son of a slimy gun. You must know if you make on a decent to counteract on a piggish mentality. You know stoop so low with yourself that you not even have no shame, no pride, no respect, no discipline, nothing for yourself, no too like a nasty son of a bitch. You don't think a nice somebody on a rampant. Come out of music with no look a dirty life. Come out of this reggae music with no careless life because no coming out of a war and a prostitute. And no still keep up the nasty life self all when you see some little thing go on with good. Come out of it, dirty careless people. We want nice and decent people in a reggae that the reggae can rise up back and people can look up to and respect with. And people who know if make them decent to counteract with the piggish mentality. We don't set a little lacracious character and men they kind of tired of now man. Too much of uno and little sappy cloth life. You know that? Eh? Try you don't try to be a part of the solution, you not always be a part of the problem. Every time people hear something good about you, two that behave something bad. Why you don't do something good to keep a good trend? You don't always want to do something bad to get a bad trend. Nasty life, please get out of our music. You hear? I mean, man, we not ramp with people. We have enough of uno. We have enough of this carelessness. And we are asking the fans of the people them in the network and in the world, when the artists then come out to them carelessness to uno, please When you now respond to them, tell them, we don't need to hear this. We want to hear good songs, songs to entertain us, songs that our kids can listen to in the future, songs that can elevate us, songs that can uplift us, songs that can make we feel happy whenever time sadness is around. If I know songs of food, melody, love, unity and strength, tell them to come out on our side. Because we not pay them to come keep up foolishness now on our side. We don't come to get good entertainment. And all careless people, please leave the network with no dirty life. Go buy some good song and stop the nasty life. Stop cuss over things we don't do already. The two of you in a be a fuckery. Sorry for the language. You understand? You grew up, your mother gave you a nice house and a nice car. If somebody tell you about say your mother things. Where are my mother things? When I like my mother have things to me, I would not feel work for my one, you know. You understand? The greatest thing, that your mother leaves something that you can inherit and you can have, and it's your own. And then an argument start, and start you're into an argument with somebody where you grew up in and come out of a proper home where your mother love you and respect you. Once you see the person don't have no respect for you and himself, leave the argument alone, because when them get to your mother gonna hurt. You understand me? So don't hurt your mother for in a careless argument with nobody who don't respect their mother and claims that and don't have no mother. Because the way how Ishawna deal with this thing is that if she don't have any mother. You understand me? And she don't consider that her mother sick. And her mother can sick. Now you don't ever in a no conversation with anyone as an artist who does not respect themselves, don't respect you, nor your mother. When you are DJing, you DJ with somebody who take lyrics for joke. Take lyrics for fun, take lyrics for happiness, take lyrics for entertainment, and don't take lyrics personal, because lyrics is something where to entertain the people them. And you must do a better one to counteract a better one. And every time a better one come, a better one must be out there. Reggae music, dancehall music come from a rival. The great Bob Marley, our rival, was the great Jacob Miller. You need to know that. Bob Marley was yesterday, where they are the greatest singer in the world. His arrival was Jacob Miller. Dreadlocks can't live in a tenement yard. And when Jacob Miller there, Jacob Miller is better than Bob Marley on stage. Film song them that kick more than Bob Marley on stage. Bob Marley that get Jacob Miller that get more forward than Bob Marley boy. And when Bob Marley dead, Bob Marley becomes this powerful man. And that me want to know. When Jacob Miller locked down stage one dancehall boy, when the man say the whole place gone. That me I tell you. And he was Bob Marley arrival. So if Bob Marley have a rival, why make you can come? If you not no rival, you will never get to the game where you want to play. Because you have to have an opponent to make you strive more. You understand me? Without an opponent, just sit and do the lazy work that you got to do. When you have an opponent, you do harder work than he do and greater work than he shall he do. So me always prefer have an opponent. All when you know my opponent, me use the other opponent to motivate myself to go further. That's why people don't like me, because them always feel like say me come to tear them down. And myself, me I motivate to get stronger. So every strength when me see you get, me build a strength after your strength and say, alright, me I get stronger and stronger every day. That's why me can live longer. Some man don't have that mentality and that temperament. They don't know how to do things. So them bad mind and grievous and cuss about and say about a thing when you do your thing right. But we don't dare to tear down people. But there if you uplift people. And if you're in a clash with Ninjaman, you get recognition. If you're in a clash with Ninjaman, who recognize you? What kind of clash you do? If you not face the baddest man in the world, how you going to say you face somebody? Someone will say then start bad with you, and then lyrics then coming like a water. You have to test the man then we have lyrics to kill. Bounty Killer, Beanie Man, Ninjaman, Capleton, Sizzler, Butcher Bantan. You understand me? Them man there, we murder you lyrically. And we not ask. Send out the art them, and we say article people. And if I chew me attack in them, I want to send out the black Jamaican flag them, you know. Send out the flag them with all like comment them, you know. And you know, everything when I say like while I chew, send out the flag them and I comment them and you know, stop send art, you know. And we say art, you know. Because we feel if you dance all when I say them I destroy it, you know. And some people don't know and don't care about dance all, you know. Send out the art them. Yeah, man. But me notice, you know. Me see when I put up the ginger, but I wanna leave the cinnamon leaf, I wanna leave the fever grass, I wanna leave the mint. So I wanna leave some of my tea, them a ginger tea alone me drink, about me stand up on ginger like me I eat that. I fool nothing fine out. I want to see the mint tree them too. When I put up on a post. Like a ginger tea alone me drink. Say Lord, the Jamaican flag them car real talk we talk. So then here as me I tell you, just remove that song there, yes, I put out my album and I don't want no two things out the road where one no sound good and one sound good, yeah? Because I have put out one of the baddest production. Some song where we not even know. And we sit down and we build, we rhythm them to we sing them. You understand? And we set we sing them out them for song. And we do them out them for supposed for sound. We mix them properly. Right with him, everything. You understand? I just me about 4 more songs to do for done my album. At 10 we done already. So we don't want to put none of that song them. We're out the road on the album. We want to put 14 or 16 bad songs on the album. So when the album ready, you know, by December we're supposed to done the album anyway. So anyway, I'm not cutting because the brother I wash on the car with me night. That's what them boys are saying. You know. My friends are real man, them wicked this man. They just go and let them two rate me. Yo, can't tell me wind up window. I want to at that. Yo, people, see him there, you know. I him a wash my car all when me.
Your vehicle, me not tell you wind up.
All when me
come out of the vehicle then, man.
Yeah, I deal with my people. If come out of my own car.
My friends are really hot enough.
But I pull out my door and take me out of my car, people. Me I come out here.
Stop off the car and come out of the car.
Alright, sir. Alright, sir.
Oh.
I done. You saw them people that stay people. Man bad me for wash the car. So me come out of the car when I went up over. How would I you to deal with my youth? Hey. Yo, so we are dealing. Give my them by the corner there. Y'all Foley I get a different chapter here now.
No, we don't have a video chapter there.
Foley get to there. Shaky people. Willow tree. You know what that means?
Yeah, man.
Yeah? What's your name? What's your name again? Irma. Irma said things about it. This man there. And them man they get thing when name Light Man!
Yeah.
Light Man! So I want to see Batman on the phone and come and say be nice. I want to defend that. And you to dog.
Rich, Joshua, younger people, Joshua, rich.
Ninjaman.
You know where money now?
Come and say be nice.
Yeah.
No, you're rich, Joshua, you're rich.
Holy.
Right, check it. Show him there. Yeah, Joshua people,
Yeah,
rich.
the man put me out for a video. I want to defend brother. Everything Chris.
And the video we put up on the world, like world.
The general. Yo, I want to call a ninja. I'm trying to know that I get that to that guy.
Hi, world, yeah.
Yeah, the tall man ride the bike.
Yeah, see him there?
Yeah, he ride the bike. Yeah, the 21-year-old.
It's that one,
Big
a 21-year-old man. See him there? Turn up and then see a 21
know
year.
him, man. The world know him, man.
See him there? The man they mash up. No stage show. Give him back the lyrics here, give him away there. Give him back the lyrics here, give him away there.
Alright. I'm a gun them bigger than your barber chair. Shot them fatter than your barber chair. Gunshots I make it with the barber care. Area and care their barber beer. Make a tell you about the gun size square. When bubble and come up here, shot them here. So then further I go in a typical near. Area and care their barber beer. Check a run down the boy like in a way. Shot him run 80 miles in couldn't even stop. Him go walk off into a hotel in future. Shot walk up him with like 4 leg drop.
Bomba. How was that? Watch him brother now. See him brother you know.
Yeah, in pace a grabber.
there no.
Grabber me there.
Alright, this is KA no. KA at 18. People, you believe this? Let come and rest stand up like while him at 21. And the one who sit down there, so. Him at 18 and him tall on me.
Oh, people, how we run the whole streets, how we run jail. We got the whole friends.
Oh, you for sell grabber and no grabber?
You see me? I beg him piece of grabber long people.
But
I always supply me grabber and
you have the whole life grabber, you sell
I
grabber.
always supply Ninja the grabber. I beg him one piece of grabber.
No grabber man, you. Me a weed.
Man can't get you see it, people.
Me not think I'm a weed, everything gone.
Yeah.
No weed need everything gone.
Yeah, man, tell you.
Ninjaman Foundation, you know?
Ninja Foundation, you know?
Oh, me put on Benz come on. I'm not know saying if I back the black the gate. I want him. I want to hey, come boy. Hey. Oh, be like a car from this thing. So your car can't go to the parking lot. How are you, man?
What a way! I want you. What a way! You always feel like same thing, man.
Where I feel like? Man think I eat that bad man here rampant. Me know where get that from. Me I'll make him pick up something for rush me. Me a fool. Eh? See man I say him sell the natural sweet water them.
One natural.
One
and
natural.
Put another end pan it, I got two natural. Dig up yourself.
And no use nothing.
Don't use nothing and dig up yourself.
You know the way we tell you about that something we dig up yourself argument where you have for you. Shaky. Willow cheese.
Alright, don't
Herma shaking.
use nothing and butter yourself.
Tama blow.
Watch it.
Yo, move the patty pan now, man. You know,
What you want to do?
you want to lick down him? Him you want to lick down? Wind up your window now. Look at that car. Look at that car there.
You want to lick down a man?
Shit.
No man lick down. Ain't no woman.
Yo, yeah, me find them out the road here. Yeah, go up on the road there now.